In the podcast episode featuring Dr. Gabrielle Lyon, the conversation delves into the critical role of skeletal muscle in overall health, longevity, and the aging process. Dr. Lyon, a pioneer in muscle-centric medicine, emphasizes that muscle is not merely a means of locomotion, but a vital organ that significantly influences metabolic, immune, and hormonal functions. This discussion highlights the importance of understanding muscle health and its implications for aging well. Dr. Lyon begins by framing skeletal muscle as the largest organ in the body, constituting about 40% of body weight. Unlike other organs that have specific specialties, muscle has a multifaceted role in human biology. It is essential for mobility, strength, and balance, but its functions extend far beyond these physical attributes. Muscle plays a crucial role in metabolic health, acting as the primary site for glucose disposal and energy production. This organ is also integral to hormonal regulation, immune function, and even brain health. One of the key points discussed is the relationship between muscle health and metabolic diseases. Dr. Lyon explains that insulin resistance, a precursor to various metabolic disorders, is often rooted in unhealthy skeletal muscle. Sedentary lifestyles lead to a decline in muscle health, which can manifest as increased blood sugar levels, high triglycerides, and other markers of metabolic dysfunction. The podcast emphasizes that maintaining healthy muscle mass is essential for preventing these conditions and promoting longevity. Exercise is presented as a fundamental component of muscle health. Dr. Lyon advocates for both resistance training and cardiovascular exercise, noting that they serve different but complementary purposes. Resistance training is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass, while cardiovascular exercise supports overall health and endurance. The discussion highlights that it is never too late to start exercising, and even older adults can experience significant benefits from strength training. Dr. Lyon also introduces the concept of flux, which refers to the dynamic processes of energy utilization and nutrient exchange within muscle tissue. Engaging in regular physical activity creates a healthy flux, preventing the stagnation that leads to metabolic issues. She emphasizes that even short, intense workouts can yield substantial benefits, particularly for older adults. Dietary protein intake is another focal point of the conversation. Dr. Lyon stresses the importance of consuming adequate protein to support muscle health, particularly as individuals age. She recommends a target of 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, which is significantly higher than the current recommended dietary allowance. This increase is necessary to counteract anabolic resistance, a phenomenon where older adults require more protein to stimulate muscle protein synthesis effectively. The podcast discusses the timing of protein intake, suggesting that the first meal of the day should be rich in protein to break the overnight fast and stimulate muscle recovery. Dr. Lyon advocates for a balanced distribution of protein throughout the day, ideally incorporating 30 to 50 grams of protein in each meal. This approach not only supports muscle health, but also aids in weight management and metabolic function. Dr. Lyon elaborates on the hormonal aspects of muscle health, explaining how exercise and adequate protein intake can influence hormone levels, including testosterone and insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1. These hormones play a vital role in muscle growth and repair. The conversation also touches on the release of myokines, peptide hormones secreted by contracting muscle, which have systemic effects on inflammation and metabolism. The discussion highlights the interconnectedness of muscle health with other bodily systems, including the immune system and brain function. Dr. Lyon notes that healthy muscle contributes to better cognitive function and emotional well-being, further underscoring the importance of maintaining muscle mass as we age. Throughout the podcast, Dr. Lyon provides practical recommendations for listeners looking to improve their muscle health. She emphasizes the importance of strength training, suggesting that individuals engage in resistance exercises at least 2 to 3 times a week. For those new to exercise, starting with bodyweight movements or lighter weights can be effective. Dr. Lyon also encourages individuals to seek guidance from fitness professionals to ensure proper form and technique. In terms of nutrition, she advises focusing on high-quality protein sources, whether from animal or plant origins. For those who prefer plant-based diets, Dr. Lyon suggests being mindful of protein quality and ensuring adequate intake to meet muscle health needs. She also highlights the significance of micronutrients, such as creatine and vitamin B12, which are often found in animal products and are essential for optimal muscle function.